Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can screen record on iPhone 16 Pro Max with audio, which requires no extra app. What you need to do is just slide down over here and there's an option here. Just tap and then there's an option here, audio control. And what you need to do here is just click on this button and it will show up into your main screen just like this, as I have done it's 2 times. What you need to do is once you tap over it and the screen will start recording, and just if you tap it for a second a while, it will show you where the screen recording data must be recorded. Make sure that microphone of your screen recorder is on. Once you tap on it, the microphone and the audio, it will start recording by itself. Okay, so that's how you can screen record the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thank you very much. Until next video, bye bye.